Okay, here's how it is. It's 1-1. Roma have the away goal. They're playing at home, but they're playing against FC Porto. This will not be an easy game for Roma. FC Porto know that they're a goal down based on the away goal, so FC Porto will be looking to go into Roma and win that G. Favorites for this are Roma. And for Roma, it's very tricky because I feel that Roma could be the threat and the team to win the Scudetto this season. Not really Napoli. I think it could be Roma. Because what Spalletti is doing with these Roma boys, remember, they won, they scored 4 Gs in their first game. Roma under Spalletti are a very nice team. So, but I think for this game, could this be a distraction? Who cares? Roma needs to be in the Champions League because Roma have to put themselves back on the map and say that they are also a third wheel in this area and puts Italian football in focus. I mean, again, Dzeko is crap. I'm sorry. Dzeko is crap. He's garbage. They need someone else apart from Dzeko. But you look at Salah, you look at Florenzi, Nainggolan. There is a team here. They don't need Pjanic. Pjanic is not that big of a miss for them. So I think if Roma play their game, they are effective, they are tactical, they defend well, they're fully concentrating, but they take their abilities well. So Nainggolan, he controls the midfield. He puts in those key penetrative passes. They have to start well. They've got to put the chokehold on FC Porto, and they need to score the first goal. If they score an early goal, it's game over. I don't think FC Porto will be able to score 2 Gs to come back into it. So for FC Porto, yeah, they'll be good and everything like that, but they're playing away from home. Roma, in Rome, are a very strong force. Remember, Barcelona didn't even beat them. It was 1-1. So I'm looking at a 2-1 to Roma in this game. 2-1, maybe 2-0, but I'm just going to be on the safe side. I'm going to say Roma will take this 2-1, and we'll finally see 3 Italian teams back in the Champions League. And that's how we're going to flow. So watch for my post-match analysis, hopefully sometime after the game. Roma, your Romans, let's get back into the big time, man. And let's with the good. But Spalletti has done some very good work on Roma after Garcia's crap ending to his reign. Who knows what FC Porto can do? But I think this may be a bridge too far for them to cause an upset in Rome. Peace. Now it's time to tune into the best podcast in our galaxy. I checked. It is the best podcast in the galaxy. It's Talking Tactics. You can head to the main website and click on the icon at the top that will take you into the Talking Tactics podcast, which you can find on SoundCloud and on the iTunes iStore. I don't have an iPhone, so I don't know about the iTunes store. So that's where you can catch us. Remember to like the podcast, to retweet it, to share it. And we always record it every Monday, and we put it out every Tuesday. So follow us on Twitter as well to get in your questions, so we can answer your questions as well for it. Bada bing bang. Follow that damn Talking Tactics, Bet podcast with your man Double H on your boy Daniel Tiluk. Peace.